Good afternoon, Tech Buddies. Today is October 24th, 2025. Today's mission. We received a service request from a customer. She has a Raypak 6450 Ti pool heat pump. They just came back into town. They went to heat up the pool, and after several hours, no go. So they went out to the pool heater, and they seen that the unit had an LP error. Now, generally speaking, the LP error indicates that the unit has low pressure, has lost discharge. So we sent the technician out. Sure enough, when he got there, the system was out of charge. Now, if the system lost its charge, one of the best things to do is to look for the leak visually. And sure enough, when you look inside the unit, you'll see the oil stains that the technician is pointing to. That's a clear indication where the leak is at. However, we still are going to introduce nitrogen into the system so the customer can also feel assured that that is where the leak is at, right? Where the oil stains is at. And that's where the capillary tube meets the copper. So he confirmed the leak. Next, what we have to do, of course, is solder the leak in the system. Finally, after that, of course, you have to change out the filter dryer. And then at that point, you have to basically pull vacuum in the system. So allow the system to run in vacuum for at least a half hour, 40 minutes, or until basically you achieve 500 microns. If you can hold 500 microns for at least a half hour, chances are that may be the sole leak in the system. So after that, of course, you will recharge the system, introduce the 410A refrigerant back in the system to the factory specs. And at that point, voila, let it run. Customer's all set. Get the pool heated back up again. Call the family. You're all set. All right, Tech Adventures. We'll see you Monday the 27th. Enjoy your weekend.